If you listen to the fake gurus here on YouTube, they'll tell you that you gotta grind for hours and hours to make $300 plus a day on Instagram selling digital products. But in reality, the smartest creators are not even creating content manually. They're using what I call the lazy button, and this lazy button is designed to sell your digital products while you sleep. No matter who you are, no matter what you do or what you know, this is the method right here that people are quietly using to print money selling digital products on Instagram, and I'm about to expose exactly how it works. What you're looking at right here is one of my digital products. Now, in order to make this work right here, you will need your very own digital product. You can do one of the two things. You can create your own digital product, or you can license a digital product. If you go to plrhustle.com, this is my website right here, you can easily license a digital product that you can resell as your own. But I'm not here to talk about that right now. I'm here to show you this powerful strategy, and a strategy that many people are silently using, but they're just not telling you about it. So this is a product right here that I'm choosing for PLR Hustle to show you as an example in this video. This is a personal finance ultimate handbook right here. What I'm going to do right here is I'm going to copy this title right here, and I'm going to go over to contentdaily.com. So let's go ahead over here to Content Daily, and I got Content Daily linked in the description of this video. I've talked about Content Daily in a couple of my previous videos. You could check those out. But I'm going to go to Content Daily, and I'm going to click on conversion mode. Now, conversion mode is meant to create money-making Instagram posts for your product. No matter what you sell, a digital product or a physical product, this is meant to create 30 days, a whole month's worth of money-making posts designed to make money. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So let me just paste right here. I'm gonna paste the title right here. Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook. What problem does it solve? It prevents people from going broke. I'm gonna just put that. I could put anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the description over here. I'm going to click paste right there. This is an ebook. I could choose software. I can use ebook, PDF template, course, bootcamp, community membership, service, physical product. So this is powerful because I can choose anything, no matter what you're selling. Content Daily is going to generate these posts for you that are designed to make money for your product, designed to sell your product 24/7. And you'll see what I mean. So this is an ebook. So I can choose different psychology tones right here. This is triggering, this is fear and urgency, and you can read exactly what it's meant to do. This focuses on the pain versus the pleasure, direct and aggressive about the lack of progress. If I go to fear right here, lost time, wasted potential, consequences, and all of that. If I go right here to cheat code, how easy and unfair the advantage is. If I go pure logic, strip away emotion. So you can just check out all of the psychology points right here in the tones that you could choose, and that makes it powerful as well. I'm gonna choose pure logic. Let's click next. So I'll click next again. For this ebook right here, I'm going to just do like a navy blue. Let's keep it on this blue right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my name down here, and I'm gonna click generate post, and you're gonna see the power of Content Daily and how fast I can generate extremely viral Instagram posts that are designed to sell this product right here. Now I can go in, if it don't get it as good as I want to get it, I can easily go in and I can edit some of it, like the problem that it solves and all of that. I can do that. So it just depends on how good Content Daily does the first go around. And just like that, here go 30 days worth of extremely powerful posts that are designed not only to go viral and grow your Instagram page, but also are designed to sell your product. And in this example, I'm selling the Personal Finance Handbook right here, the Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook. And let me show you the power of this. If I go down here, every one of these posts right here are tied to this ebook right here. Let's check this one out. For example, your debt is growing. As you can see, you got my watermark down here at Brandon. I go over here to the right, and it's a carousel post. Accumulating debt reduces your net worth. Every month, interest charges erode your financial foundation, demanding more resources than they return. This is a negative ROI. Ignoring debt magnifies the problem. Proactive reduction is the only financially sound strategy. Download what? Download the Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook to master debt reduction. And that's all she wrote. Every one of these posts are just like that. Your spending is breaking you. I go over here, a beautiful post right here that's uniquely generated for this digital product right here. I go over here to the end. So you can see, nice carousel post right there. That's another slide. Go over here, download the Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook to prevent going broke. Keep going down. Download the Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook to prevent going broke. And you already see what's going on here. Every one of these posts, you've never seen anything like this because it's never been anything like this available for you and I before, but now it is. So what I'm going to do with posts like this is I'm not just going to post a bunch of posts like this on Instagram. What I'm going to do is, me personally, I'm going to take about 10 out of 30 days is going to be posts like this, but the rest of the posts is going to be stuff like viral posts. So I'll go down here and I'll check out some viral stuff. And I can simply say, let me go ahead, personal finance. I'll click next and I'll just create some viral posts right here. Numbered list, controversial take. I'll go over here and I'll create some viral posts at Brandon. So every one of the posts is not meant to sell, but at the end of the day, those sales posts right there are going to generate money. So after I go ahead and generate some viral posts, so I'll have about 20 days worth of viral posts. And these are value posts, I would like to call them. And then 10 days of call to action posts that are meant to sell my digital product right here, the Personal Finance Ultimate Handbook. And just like that, generated content, 30 posts ready to download. Remember, I already have my sales post. So all I would have had to do is download my sales post. I can just click download all, or I can download them individually. I got my sales posts. I'll take about 10 of them sales posts. I won't delete the rest of them. I will save them, of course, for the next month. But I'll take about 10 of those. Then I'll take 20 of these right here, these value posts, and I will share 30 days worth of content just like that. Not only that, let me go over here to a Google Doc real quick. I got a Google Doc pulled up right here, and I'm going to show you what else come with these posts right here. So if I click on each post right here, if I go to each post, I can just click copy caption right here. 3 personal finance principles for explosive growth. Nice carousel right here. Extremely valuable. I can go over here. Bam. That's a caption right here that goes exactly with this post. I can go over here again. I can copy this caption for this post. I can go down here. Here's another fire caption for this post. So not only am I getting 30 days worth of content, and 10 of them are meant to sell my product right here, but I'm also getting next level captions to come with every single one of these posts right here. And this is the strategy right here that big pages with 50,000 to even 2 million followers are using, and you didn't even know about it. So if I go over here to Instagram, I'll check out a page like this. Boss Babe Brilliant. They have 134,000 followers. This is an example of what you would do next. Once I have all of my content and I continue to generate it over here on Content Daily, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create a faceless Instagram page just like this. I'm going to put this product right here in the bio, and I'm going to focus on being consistent. Now, because I have the post and because I have the captions, not only will I grow organically, but I can also start boosting via paid ads. So they got almost 2,000 posts right here. But of course, if I just go here and I continue to generate content, or if I don't like this, I'll just generate another piece of content right here. And I just continue over and over to generate content. I can just do that. Every one of these posts right here are going to be different. So I can just continue to generate new content, or I can go back and go through the process all over again. But the main thing I wanted to show you is how to generate sales posts, conversion posts that are meant to sell your digital product. Because that call to action is at the end, no matter if I sell a personal finance ebook or a passive income with vending machines ebook or a girl's guide to good credit ebook, I can be selling a vendor's list. I could be selling printable wall art. There's no matter what I am selling, I can just go over here and I can generate extremely powerful sales content and viral content for my digital product. So the whole method works like this, as you can see right here on my notepad. You choose a product, you generate content, you create an Instagram page if you don't have one, and you generate traffic. And that's all you have to do in order to start at $3 a day and then end up at $300 a day. Because once you start posting consistently on Instagram with very valuable posts, and once you tie in your sales post in there, that's how the sales are made. But once you have all of those valuable posts flowing nonstop, you're going to start gaining traffic organically, and you can also boost via paid ads if you like. Now, what I personally do is I personally go ahead and start sharing a lot of the content, and I choose one of my favorite. Now, I only choose one most of the time. I choose one of my favorite sales posts that it generates, and I boost that. So not only is that sales post valuable, is giving value as well, but at the end, the last slide is my call to action. And in the caption, I can include, hit the link in the bio, or I could use some kind of automation tools in order for people to comment to get an auto reply. I can just really do it however I want to. But once I spark up a Faceless Instagram page tied to one digital product, it doesn't even matter if I have 10 followers or 50 followers. People are there for a reason. I mean, if it's about personal finance, then they're most likely there to learn about personal finances to prevent themselves from going broke or to build generational wealth or whatever it may be. Or if I create an entire Instagram account around AI, if I create an entire Instagram account around business credit, no matter what it is, I can easily go over here and generate sales content to sell the product. So I hope you see what's going on here. Pages like this are effortlessly generating all of this content that you see right here. They got their watermark right here just in case people want to share it to their stories, but they're generating all of this content right here, and it's linking most likely to a product. Now this one right here is linking to, it looked like another page, so it's like page farming, I guess you would call it. And eventually they'll land on a link in bio. It doesn't matter if it linked to another page and then the founder. That's how it usually is a lot of time, because the founder a lot of time want to start building their personal brand. But this bio right here is going to start getting a lot of traffic. And again, once your digital product link is in the bio, that's how the money is made. So if you have your product, if you have your content, if you have your page, the traffic will follow. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you the easiest way to make this happen. You can do this with digital products. You can do this with affiliate marketing. It really doesn't matter how you do it. Once you generate posts that are designed to make sales with call to action, you'll never have problems. Trust me, you'll never have problems making money on Instagram. Again, you can go ahead and tap into this method. I challenge you to go ahead and try it. It's extremely powerful. It's probably the only way right now to make serious money, because Instagram Reels are watered down and carousel posts are taken over. But what you don't want to do is watch a video like this and do absolutely nothing. A lot of people come to me and ask what methods are working, what method is the easiest, the laziest way. Like literally, what's the laziest way to make $300 plus a day? I just showed you right here in this video. Now, if you are somebody that will decide to click away and not put a method like this to work, then that's completely up to you. You must be rich, or you must have enough money to just ignore a video like this. But if you are somebody that definitely want to hit $300 a day and beyond, put this method right here to work so you'll learn exactly what to do in order to make it happen.